Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Move is cheap. Leesville and Elmwood. Local and long-distance movers near me. While making a long-distance shift, the major concern is the safety of your belongings and the period required to shift your apartment. However, a long-distance shift sounds difficult, but only if you decide to do everything yourself. As long-distance shifting requires more planning and workforce, certain permits are required to cross the state line and complete the shift. But thankfully, our professional moving firm, 3 Movers, is certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association. So, they have provided us with the required permits and licenses to complete the long-distance shift without any further legalities. We mostly believe, while shifting locally, we do not require any professional help, which can create a whole risk situation for you. However, it's important to understand that the shifting process is still the same, whether it is a local or a long-distance shift. That is why it's always recommended to hire a professional mover and packer like 3 Movers. Our team of movers makes sure to shift your apartment the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Leesville and Elmwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.